This is my neighbor's backyard. So I borrow first so that I can plant some vegetable for us to consume most of the day. I have a papaya. There you can see the papaya tree. Chili, lady finger, sweet potato. Then later on I will plant mustard here in this area. Thank you and God bless.